What's going on, everybody? My name is Marissa Romero, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a Clickbank case study and how I was able to earn $460 within one day, and how I was able to do that with just a minimal amount of work, 2 hours, 3 hours maximum. So you guys stay tuned. I got some good stuff coming right up. Welcome back to the video, guys. My name is Marissa Romero once again, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. What we talk about on this channel is making money online, and I teach you guys everything I know. I'm posting on a daily basis, very consistently, and my goal is to help you out, whether you are a complete beginner or maybe even a seasoned marketer, and let you guys know pretty much everything I know about internet marketing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, because my goal is to help people achieve that time, location freedom, and spend more time with the people that they love. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for future notifications on this channel. So today's keyword is Clickbank. Now, if you guys are excited to make money on Clickbank, go ahead and type in the word Clickbank in the comments, because this is going to be a really cool way that you guys could earn some money on Clickbank, and even apply this to JVZoo and any other, of the affiliate network websites. One more thing before I get started, I do have a free video training series that goes over this entire topic more in depth. You can catch that in the description below where it says my free course. Alrighty. So without further ado, let's talk about Clickbank. I'm going to talk about a method that I was able to use to make $460 in profit with Clickbank. And that method, you guys, is called, right here, I've talked about it before, but it's called launch jacking. So I always implement launch jacking. I try to do it at least once a month, sometimes 2 a month. And that is essentially the process of positioning yourself to receive the most amount of traffic when people go searching for a product that is just launching. So it's positioning yourself, whether it's through a blog post or a YouTube review video, to receive the most amount of traffic from that product that is about to come out. So let me talk about what I mean. So if you go to muncheye.com, you'll see a list of launches that are coming up. And a lot of these with Muncheye are on JVZoo. And you can just kind of take a look at what Muncheye has to offer. And so you can kind of go through this list. But what I prefer, the website I prefer, is actually called jvnotifypro.com. Now you guys can create a free account on JV Notify Pro. But for me, I've had a lot of success with launch jacking on JV Notify Pro, because they have the big name marketers out there. They have quality products, and a lot of these products are actually hosted on Clickbank, sometimes JVZoo, or sometimes in individual private platforms. So it just kind of depends. You have to do your research. This is exactly what I did. In the beginning or middle of June, I actually looked at jvnotifypro.com, and I was like, okay, let me look for a product that is coming up that's quality, and I would like to launch jack. So I looked back then, it was beginning of June, so I looked in the future, and I looked at July 11th. So Fred Lamb and Michael Shee and Print Profits. And what struck me about this product was I like e-commerce, I have experience with e-commerce, and what a metric that I go by to pick a product to launch jack is actually these metrics right here. So raw and unique. I like it when I see that these numbers are above 500. That means it's going to be a pretty good launch, and the affiliates are going to be treated well and be able to maximize on commissions. So I'm like, okay, cool. What's this product about? I clicked on the JV invite page, and this is the JV invite page, and it's actually a print-on-demand product. And I have experience with print on demand, so I'm like, cool, I feel comfortable promoting this product. And so I thought these guys right here both Fred Lam and Michael Shih. They're both very, very, very well known in the e-com industry. Fred Lam has worked with Robert Kiyosaki before and Onyx Segal, and Michael Shih has built several e-commerce stores that have done 7 figures. So these guys really know what they're talking about, and I know that they put on a quality product. And as you can see, I signed up to be an affiliate, and it's through Clickbank. So this is actually, Print Profits is hosted on Clickbank. And so this talks about what kind of commissions they have, the prizes, save the date. The other cool thing about this launch is every time you generated them a lead, they also paid you $2 per CPA, and CPA means cost per action. So I'm like, okay, cool. So I could actually, sell the product, make a commission, and whatever leads I send them during this launch period, I was going to get paid $2 per lead. So that is what I wanted to point out about this product and why I chose to promote it. So let's log in just so you guys could see the proof of the 460 bucks. So I noticed this yesterday, July 23rd. So this is my account, and here is the $460 with Clickbank. And so the cool thing about this is not only, as I mentioned, I made the 460, but if you come here to the leaderboard and show you how I was able to make money with also producing leads for Print Profits. So if you come here, I'm like number, 13. Cool. 13 out of hundreds. I'm cool with that because Jason Stone is number 3. And we all know Jason Stone, Millionaire Mentor. He's got a huge list, a huge audience. So let's look at the amount of leads I've generated for them. And my exact lead count is 380. So if they were to pay me that times 2, so 380 times 2, that's 760 plus 460 is 1,200 bucks. So that's kind of the cool thing. You have to just, when you're doing launch jacking and for a product that's up and coming, you have to figure out what resources they have for their affiliates and what you can use, even because this works even if you have no list, guys. That is why I like teaching launch jacking, because you can implement this strategy even if you have no list. So let's talk about what I did. So step 1 was to look on JV Notify Pro and select the product. Oops. Select a product. Okay, now step 2 is to, after you know they have good affiliate resources and you know that you want to promote the product, step 2 is actually to either on a blog post do a review about the product and sending people to your link or to your affiliate link, or create a YouTube review video. Now I love video review traffic. It's arguably the best traffic on the internet for this type of thing. I love it because you get to tell people a little bit about the product. But as you can see, what I did is I made a Print Profits review to start generating leads, and this was before the launch. So this was in June. I made my first Print Profits review so I can position myself to have that traffic when you look up Print Profits review in the search engine. So I did my first video before the launch. I think the launch started on July 5th. So I did this a couple weeks before July 5th. All right, and then the other thing I did,
what's up everyone,
was I made another Print Profits review, video. But this one was different because I actually included my bonuses. So when people go to purchase a new product to the market, they like to see what affiliate bonuses have, or what bonuses affiliates have, because that's going to be more incentive for them to go ahead and purchase through your link so they can receive your bonuses. Now bonuses help tremendously with launch jacking, and you don't have to have extravagant bonuses. I have experience before with launch jacking, so I'm able to put together pretty good bonuses, but don't be afraid to, you know, maybe offer one bonus or two when you're just getting started. Just offer something. So I made this video, print profits review plus custom bonuses. Okay, and this one did pretty well. It got more views. Let me see. More views than the other one. And so I give a review on print profits, and actually you can ask the affiliate manager of the product, say, hey, I want to do a product review. I have an audience that I'd like to share this product with, and you can ask them for actually a demo account or a script, a video script where you can talk about the product and, you know, not have to do that much research. So I was able to access a demo account, and I didn't really need a script because I know about e-commerce and I know exactly what this stuff means. But so I was able to walk people through the course and show them exactly what it was they were looking for. And any affiliate could have got access to this demo account. All you had to do was ask the JV manager. And then at the end, I show people my bonuses for print profits. I made a bonus page in my sales funnel builder tool called Kartra. So I just put together a bonus page, and that is what people saw when they saw my bonuses. So again, that is kind of the step 2 is, where were we? Produce a review article on a blog, which I don't have experience with yet. I don't have a blog yet. But I do create review videos, review video for up and coming product. Okay? So that's step 2. And then step 3 is, once the product launches, you want to utilize the email swipe resources. So in this let's go back to the JV, to the JV page and the resources. So they like to give a lot of value to the leads coming into the system. So the first link they have is the free course. So they gave away a 10-part video training. So this is what I actually emailed my list. And again, guys, if you don't have a list to email, that is perfectly okay. You don't have to. Here's where, you know, the power comes in, is they give you email swipes to promote. So, and they break it down by day. So this July 5th was the launch date. So you have 3 different subjects that you can put in your title for this email, and 3 different options of the body, which is pretty cool. So you can switch it around, so not every single affiliate has the same exact email. So, you know, you utilize the email swipe resources, email your list. Now, if you don't have a list, don't worry about it, because when you get these links up here, you can just kind of put these in your description, in your review video, or in your blog. And when people go to that link, that actually goes to a landing page, and your visitor opts in, and that is a lead for print profits for Michael Shee and Fred Lamb. So you get paid for leads that you generate. So if you don't have a list, that's okay. Okay? So, but if you do, email or utilize the email swipes in the resources to email your list, and they have an email schedule of what emails to send on the exact date. Okay? And so that's pretty much it, I think. This was a pretty cool one to do. So I highly advise you guys, if you're interested, go check out those 2 websites, MunchEye and jvnotifypro.com, and see what's up and coming. And you guys can totally do this. This is a beginner strategy. So I hope this was informational for you guys, and how I was able to produce a quick $460 on Clickbank, and potentially earned up to $1,200 with less than 3 hours of work. And so go ahead and implement this stuff right away. Take action on a product. Launch check your first product, and I think it'll be very beneficial for you guys. So if you guys like this video at all, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the description if you have any questions at all. If maybe you're gonna start launch jacking, let me know in the comments below. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You guys have been awesome. I will see you on the next video.